All right, today I want to do a quick rundown of this Craftsman weed eater lawn leaf blower set. It comes with 2 batteries and this quick little charger. It's easy to use. It's 20 volts. You can see I've just put the battery on here, and hear what it sounds like on the weed whacker or on the leaf blower. And then here I'll put the battery on the string trimmer. They just click on, and I'll kind of run that. See, it wants to run. It's designed to automatically feed the string, and then it's got this roller, so it keeps the weed whacker the perfect distance from your fence, or in this orientation, you can put it down and use it as an edger trimmer to get the lawn off your sidewalk, things like that. There's just a little handle here for the safety. Other than that, it's a nice little kit for, like I say, a smaller to medium-sized yard. I certainly wouldn't use this commercially or anything else, but with it being Craftsman, the batteries are 1.5 amp and they're interchangeable with other Craftsman tools. So all in all, this is a nice little kit. I would definitely, recommend it.